If you're over 40 and you've thought about becoming any kind of content creator, 2025 is going to be your year. For people over 40, there's a huge demand for creators to do UGC, user-generated content, making ads. Having done it for a year, these are the three big takeaways that should get anybody over 40 into doing UGC. So the first thing, if you've ever been in a full-time job or even a part-time job, you've had a yearly salary or an hourly wage. And this is something that is set by your employer. And they control how many hours you get, which means they control how much money you make. As a content creator, you have unlimited earnings potential. You can work as much as you want or as little as you want to make the amount of money that you need. I mean, there's such a relief and a power of that, knowing that you can control your wages. Yes, you have to negotiate. You have to reach out to other people to get work. But as that goes on, you can say yes or no to big deals or smaller deals to reach the amount of money that you want. So we have to stop. That's a huge thing in doing UGC, is that you have an unlimited earnings potential for making money, as much money as you need for your needs. The second thing is something I didn't really think about until after I started doing UGC for a while. At my last job, I had so many pointless meetings that took away from the time I needed to work. We had like an all company one every Monday for an hour that didn't really involve me. And then we had like a all hands team meeting where we went over everybody's projects, and none of them involved me. At a full-time job, your time is just not your own. You have expected working hours and meetings and all that. And with UGC, while you have deadlines, how you use your time is up to you. You want to take a nap during lunch? Go for it. You don't want to have any meetings? Go for it. You want to stop at 3 o'clock to go help your kids in marching band? That's the freedom of doing UGC. It's just any kind of content creation. More so than the money, I've kind of found, having the freedom to have the time that I want to use. And I would pay to never have any more pointless meetings again, which I don't. I determine what meetings I want to go to and how that's going to benefit my time. And so the last thing is this idea that when you work for somebody else, you're working on their dream. Whether it's a startup or a big corporation, there's always, you're helping somebody else succeed. Your earnings are limited, your time is limited, and it's never really building something of yours. And being a UGC creator, I've been able to build my own business and be able to create a digital product that people are buying, and I'm able to genuinely help people with their careers. And I didn't feel that in the corporate world. Corporate was not really designed for that. That's probably my favorite part about being a creator, is building my own thing. I'm immensely proud of what I've built, and I think 2025 for me is going to be a huge year. So if any of this resonates with you, consider doing UGC. You have, especially over 40, there's so much need, there's so much opportunity. I got a free guide if you want to learn more, down in the description and above here in the text. So that's my 2024 recap, is how I've seen it help me, and maybe it can help your family. This dog. Thanks for watching. Bye.